Good morning, guys. So as you guys know, the green maxi is all back together. So I want to do special. I'm gonna go ride downtown Buffalo, but first I gotta put a temperature gauge on the bike so I don't blow it up again. All right, she's all set. Let's load this sucker up. All right, now let's get downtown. And we officially made it to where we're gonna start the day. So guys, here we go. Let's go for a ride. mph is the speed limit here. I'll probably actually able to speed here. Nice. So today's goal is basically just to not blow up my bike, do some wheelies, and find some cool pictures, so I'm excited for that. So I did notice, now that I have this camera bag on me, I can actually throw wheelies up a little easier. Not that I'm good at wheelies, but I can throw them up a little easier. Baby steps. I'll get good at wheelies. There it is. Guys, we're gonna be wheeling in no time. So I've been riding for a little bit now and I found this really cool cave. So I'm gonna post the bike up and try to get some cool shots. So let's see how those come out. Everybody's been super nice, so hoping we get some, more nice riding in. We should. It's a gorgeous morning. I'm half tempted to go into the city, but I really don't have paperwork for this bike. You guys know one thing about me is I typically don't have paperwork. Installed a little temperature gauge today. That was a very well needed addition to this bike. The way this truck's just sitting here all menacing like. That's kind of a cool guy parking spot, I'm not gonna lie. So this spot here isn't necessarily for mopeds, but that looks good. Let's eye this up. Oh, I gotta move it back a little bit more. All right, so I just realized that I got all the way downtown and my phone storage was full, so rip. But after spending about 20 minutes, I'm gonna be able to record again. So I'm gonna take some really cool shots here and then ride back to my truck. So I got into a really cool area. Unfortunately, my camera wasn't recording it on the way in because I'm out of space on my phone, which really stinks. So I'm gonna have to figure something out about that. But that's for another day. Without getting pulled over. That's the real trick.
went the wrong way for a second there.
All right, guys, so we got back to the truck. That was an awesome day of riding. So catch you next time, and let me know if you guys want to see something like this again. Peace out, guys.